Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about reverse functionality of list. So let us start with it. Reverse function reverses the order of the list permanently. That means the elements which are written from left to right will be displayed from right to left. And not only they will be displayed, but these changes will take place permanently in the list, because we have talked many a times earlier also that lists are mutable in nature. So as we know that lists are mutable, so the changes will be done permanently. So what is the syntax for the same? List 1 dot reverse. List 1 is my existing list whose order I want to reverse, and reverse is my method. Inside this, we are not going to pass any type of argument. For example, this is my list. Now, if I'll be applying reverse function onto this list, then I will get this as a result. Now here, as you can see, the elements from the left to right, 23, 45, 12, 8 and 56. Now the reverse order is this. That means the elements are written from right to left, as you can see the previous list. But these changes are done permanently inside the list. That means earlier my list was this and now my list has become this. So in whichever order the elements are written, reverse method is going to reverse it. Now I am going to show you this practically also, like L1 is equal to, I am writing these elements and I'm going to apply L1 dot reverse onto this, and using my print method I'm going to print it. So the order has become this. That means the elements from left to right have been changed into right to left. So as many as times now I'll be printing my list 1, I will get the same result because changes are done permanently now. Now, as we have learned using our slicing method also, that we can reverse the order of our elements using slicing. How? Let's take one more example. If I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 34, 9. These are my elements. Now I want to change the order. That means I want to display only the list in reverse order. I don't want to perform the permanent changes into my list. So, what is the option for the same? We have slicing method. I will be writing L1 starting and ending position I am leaving blank, and the step value I am giving as -1. I will get this as a result. Now also you can check the list has been reversed. But if I'll be giving print command for L1, my list will remain same as it was earlier. There is no change happened permanently. So using slicing method also we can display the list in reverse order, but do remember that these changes are not going to take place permanently into my list. But the reverse functionality does the changes permanently into my list. So if I'll be writing L1 dot reverse, right? And then if I'll be printing it L1, then I will get this as a result, not this, because changes are done permanently now. So this is the difference between displaying the elements only into the reverse order, or actually you are going to reverse the list. So in CBSE question papers also, if you get the wording that only display the list in the reverse order, you are going to use the slicing method for the same. And if you will be asked that reverse the list order, then you are going to apply the reverse functionality over it. So I guess the concept is pretty clear to all of you. Keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.